Welcome to Best Music Coach's Lightning Lessons, a 1-month easy and painless guitar challenge where you will learn how to read music on the guitar and play your favorite songs in less than 2 minutes a day. My name is Dan, and these lessons are for beginners and anyone who wants to learn how to read music on the guitar. These lessons are all taken from my new book, The Best Guitar Book for Beginners, How to Read Music, which debuted as the #1 new release on Amazon in multiple categories. Now, in every lesson, you will get free pages from the book, as well as always free access to video examples to help you understand and practice the examples during the week. Links for the pages and the video examples are in every video description. Now, you do not need to buy this book to take this free course. However, you will get more reading practice, more examples, more insights, tips, and tricks if you have a copy as you follow along. In summary, in 1 month, you are going to learn how to read music on the guitar, play some of your favorite songs in less than 2 minutes a day. You will get always free and unlimited access to free pages from my new book, as well as always free access to extra video examples along the way. You ready? Let's get started. I will see you guys in lesson 1.